Hey everyone, welcome to a new video here at Sublime Traders. I'm Logical Orange, and in this video we are going to take a look at the current state of Bitcoin today, the 13th of October 2020. It has hit some very important levels and the data can tell us where it might go in the near future. So let's go to the charts.
We gon' make sure you never miss a trade again. Watch how you get paid over and over again. Account management.
I wanted to start with the weekly chart because we have three very important pieces of information here, and those are: one, the last time we left the triangle, so right here on the 27th of July, we have left it with a lot of volume, but more importantly, we have left it with head and shoulders pattern that we can see right here. This is the head and shoulders pattern that helped us eventually break out, and more importantly, this head and shoulders pattern has a baseline, and the baseline is this one. And as you can see, it has already affected us once. It has acted as a support and will most certainly affect us in the near future as a support, or if the price breaks below, it can affect us as a resistance. For now, we have established that we left the triangle through a pattern that has some that will have some impact on the longer term. Since then, the price has increased and it has reached the 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is an important level in the Fibonacci retracement. And we have also formed the doji candle, which means the market is not yet decided and we might not break through it. Doji candles in general means that the trend will be changing, and it might very well be the case because on the daily we can see that we have some other information that can tell us that the price will go down from here. Well, this is just technical analysis, guys. I'm repeating. If tomorrow Trump tweets like I'm dead, and the day after tomorrow, hey, I'm alive, none of this will matter, you know. So let's go to the daily and see what more information we can get out of there. So I just wanted to walk you through what happened on the daily chart. Since the last time we broke through the triangle we were in for a long time. So basically we have another head and shoulders pattern that has a neckline of its own, which is in confluence with the 0.618 Fibonacci level on the daily chart and also the 0.5 Fibonacci level on the weekly chart. This is a very important level. It acts as a support and the resistance. We can see that historically the support part wasn't done very well, so it's not a very good support, but it is a good resistance level. Right now the price action is just hugging all these three indicators. We are trying to close above. The price action is just on the 0.618, the 0.5, and the neckline on the head and shoulders pattern that we have had right here. And right now we are possibly, if we close above this level, we are possibly going to trade in a range between the 0.618 and the 0.786 Fibonacci levels. In my opinion, this is an opportunity to look for a short opportunity, because with the current context, the economic context, the political context, elections coming, apart from several news that big institutionals are buying large amounts of Bitcoin, these are not really catalysts that can help boost Bitcoin as they did before. So right now we have had the news that a large amount of Bitcoin has been bought by institutionals. Well, the price action has reacted, but mildly, and it hasn't had the resistances that we are facing now. So if we get another news like this, so another, I don't know, 1,000 Bitcoin bought, 100,000 Bitcoin bought, right now I don't think it will influence the price action as much as it did before, because right now we have some really tough resistances to break, and in this economic context I don't think it is possible. So let's see what I think I would do in this situation. So basically I'm searching for a short. I know that according to my technical analysis, the volumes and everything are telling me that it will eventually come back down. So I think it might come back down to this is the previous neckline for the head and shoulders pattern that helped us get out of the triangle, and it is coinciding with the bottom of our formation right here and the Fibonacci level 0. So I'm looking for a short at around this area, so I will plot it right now. I'm looking for a short at around this area. The higher the better, of course, and with the stop loss about this level, so 12,700 or something like that, and my take profit would be around here. This is a longer term trade. It will not happen overnight. This is a trade that don't forget we are on the daily chart. This is a trade that I will take maybe in multiple segments, so I can take multiple shorts on this trade, or I can trade both. I can either trade on one account I can trade this type of trade, like a large trade, and another account I can scalp, or I can swing between smaller trades. So basically, yes, this is my opinion. I am bearish on the short term, I am bullish on the long term. I believe in Bitcoin. The project is getting more and more attention, and yeah, I think that it will go up on the longer term, but on the short term, until December, I think at least we are choppy. So until December it might go up and down in between this area right here. So I'm looking at this moment, I'm looking for a short. So in this video I was a bit bearish. My vision is bearish, and is mostly because of the news that are happening. I don't think the TA is as pertinent as it is in a normal market. We are now living some times that are very difficult economically, politically, and I think that the TA is still working, of course, as we can see that the Fibonacci levels are respected like perfectly. But the thing is that we need to be careful with our TA. We need to be protected at all times. So if you want to long, hedge. If you want to short either on in one trade, bigger trades, or in shorter trades with shorter stop losses or hedges or whatever. Just protect it and watch your trades actively. Don't let them run like wild for several days. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you want to know more about Sublime traders, don't hesitate to come to our channel. There is a lot of information for all types of traders. Thank you and happy trading.
We the Sublime traders, ooh, that's a bag. Hold on, wait, say it louder for 'em in the bag. Grab the Sublime scanner, get 'em all.